How to reset the service interval on a 2025 Hyundai Kona. Turn the ignition on and select Vehicle on the central display. Then select Driving Assistance. By navigating through the menu, you will find the service interval option under the Convenience submenu. Here, the vehicle will display any upcoming service intervals. To reset the service interval, turn the ignition on again, select Vehicle. Then, Convenience, and finally, Service Interval. As you can see, the vehicle has 1,990 kilometers or 141 days remaining until the next service. Press the Reset button, and a message will appear asking, "Do you want to reset the vehicle maintenance interval/mileage?" Select Yes, and you will receive the message, "Reset completed successfully." Check the information again, and you will see that the new service interval is set to 15,000 kilometers or 365 days. Thank you for watching. I wish you success with your work. You can find many other interesting videos on this channel, and if you enjoy the content, feel free to subscribe. Thank you.